Okay, so good morning everyone. I'm Antlia and I'm with the Japan Tokyo study tour. So basically, our first day. Okay, so basically our first day, we went. So the first day we went to dinner right straight away, and I thought that the curry was a little salty, but it was delicious. And I still remember that Mugen thought the cabbage was sour and he didn't eat any of it. So yeah, and then I thought it was like a 7 out of 10, and the weather was a little cloudy as well. And then the next day we went to the temple, and I took this photo on the temple. There's a side shrine sort of. So we went. This is called Kaminari. And we all tried. And after we all gathered together, we all tried for the fortune shake thingy. And I think I got a good luck one. Huh? Nobody got bad luck. Everybody got a regular. I think I got a regular luck. No, I thought he got a medium luck, something like that. And then after that, we went to Shibuya and Harajuku, where they went to buy some shoes. And then we came across this Hachiko statue that I just looked at for the first time, even though I went to Japan a lot of times. And then this one is one of the behind the temple of the Kaminari one that I took a photo of, which looks really beautiful. And after that, the day 2 meal was ramen. Like Ashley said, it was a little salty, and we didn't know what to order, so we shared all of it together. Although the restaurant told us we had to eat one person, one meal, so we had to at least order 5 meals. And then we had a drum workshop, and then the teacher was really energetic. And then I still remember that Melvin was the most energetic one of all. And we were all tired and he was still playing. And then we had a stock exchange. Surprisingly, I got second place, which I didn't expect, and he got first place. And both of you sleepy. Which I don't remember either. No, because I still remember that day when we watched the video that I was watching the video halfway, and I didn't even know when I was asleep, but I was, so yeah. And then this one was the day 5 meal. It didn't look like this. This was the last day meal. I didn't have the picture of the day 5 meal one. It was in the Tokyo Sky Tree. And I ordered a spaghetti bolognese, like the other one. And it was really delicious. It was perfect with taste. And then we went to the tea ceremony and Yukata wearing. And Ashley couldn't wear it, although I really wanted to see her wear it too. And we were all laughing because Morgan's was always teasing him. And yeah. And then we went to eat Shake Shack, which I really love. Twice. Because we didn't know what to eat, so we ate it twice. And it was crispy and mixed with water. Also, we came across some crows and pigeons, so I fed it to them, and the crow was huge. And this one was the last day before we went back, and we went to a Manga Workshop, and I tried to duplicate one of the things I found in Pinterest, which was really adorable, and I thought Ashley drew the best. because she drew her own character. Thank you for listening.